Hi everybody. So today I wanted to talk to you about getting a facial from my daughter. She is going to esthetician school and she is now, or was, I think last week I went? Yeah, it was last week. So she's able to invite friends and family over to practice. And then this week she had her finals, or she has her last final tonight, but she's passed them all, and I know that she will, have no problem passing tonight. So starting next week, she can accept clients that just come in. So I've invited, put a post on my Facebook and Instagram. If you're in the area of the Chicago suburbs, I would suggest giving her a try because she did a fabulous job. And if you've ever gone for a facial before at a spa, you kind of know what to expect. So I have had a few professional facials before, so I kind of knew what to expect. And so the experience was really great. I walked into the school. They have it set up very professionally. They have a changing room. So you would, take off your top so they can do your whole area. And so they then take you into the room for the facials, and they have it set up, divided I think into 8 sections with curtains. So each student has their own section to give the facials or whatever treatment that you choose. I chose to have a facial, but she also can do waxing and back treatments, and I know that as the weeks go on, she'll be doing more and more and learning more. So I had the basic facial, and so I laid on the bed like you would at a spa with the towel, and then she wrapped my hair up to get it off of my face, and then I think they used a little bit of a mist. I'm sorry if I don't remember the exact order, but then she did a cleanse, and then she did, I think, a little exfoliating, and then it was a massage of your whole face, neck, and they go all the way to here. So that felt really wonderful, and she had just the right amount of pressure. And then she did a mask. I think it was a repairing mask. I'm not sure, but it felt so wonderful. And then just having my daughter being able to give that to me, it was just really wonderful. And of course, I'm going to say she's wonderful, but she had been practicing for a few weeks on her classmates, so she did a fabulous job. And the products that they are learning from is Dermalogica. So I had not tried any Dermalogica products before, but I know they had a little contest with the students, and I think if you sold, so much, you got a little prize or something. So of course, I wanted to support her. And so this is what I got. Let me show you. The first thing I got, it is called Dermalogica Super Rich Repair. And when she gave me the facial and used this, I thought that it felt kind of thick. But then when I brought it home, I used it, and then I found out that it's super concentrated. And this is called the Super Rich Repair. I think I said that. And I'm sorry, you can't really see that good, but it looks like a little pump. So you can control how much you get. And I have to say that even though it is a thick cream, it did soak in very well, and I really am enjoying this. And I use it in rotation with my other products. So I use it, a couple nights a week, maybe 2-3 nights a week. And let me see if I can tell you what is in this. The website from them. It says this has, sorry, The key ingredients are arginine, colloidal oatmeal, zinc oxide, and oat kernel. And then it says metacasoid. I don't know what that is. And then some evening primrose oil, borage oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E, and some peptides. So I really think this is very nice, and I am enjoying it. And then the next thing I got from her is called a Barrier Rescue, and it says ultra calming. So what you do is you put on your moisturizer, and then you put this over the top, and it comes in a little tube. Again, it's super concentrated, so you only need like maybe a pea size for your whole face, and then that seals in everything. So I really am enjoying that. And then they had a little sale. It was buy 2 products get 1 free. So excuse me, I didn't know what to choose, so she helped me pick this out. And this is a lip treatment. So this says it says a Renewal lip complex, and I know it has peptides in it. It comes in a tube with like a lipstick, and then you roll it up, and it has like a slanted applicator and then little holes where the product comes out. And I say that I use this only at night, and I put it on, of course, and then it just keeps your lips very hydrated all night long. It's a treatment, so yeah, I don't think I would use it during the day. I use it at night, and my lips stay very moisturized all night long. So I just wanted to share that with you because, I was so excited for her, and so excited that she is being, an esthetician. And again, if you live in the Chicagoland area, it's Pivot Point in Bloomingdale. And I will put everything in my description. She does have an Instagram, and you can follow her there. And if you have any questions, please let me know. And I think that's all I have to share with you today. And so I hope everybody has a good weekend, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye for now.